Hello. Now, for this year's 2025 Halloween season, there was one haunted house. Well, a couple haunted houses I didn't able to get to this season. But one of those haunted houses was Haunted Oaks at the Rolling Oaks Mall in San Antonio, Texas. Currently closed, but I'll make sure I make it there next year's Halloween season. Let's check out their little front display right quick and comment. Let me know if you want me to check it out next year. Also, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, like the video, share, and make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell. Enjoy.